Every time a child sits in a classroom with no desk, every time a mother dies at a hospital with no drugs, every time a youth gives up because there are no jobs, it is not poverty, it is corruption. For decades, those in power have stolen what belongs to us, and they tell us to be patient. But patience cannot build a nation. Truth can, unity can, we can. My name is Chukwemeka Isumei, and I am running for president of Nigeria. Not to join them, but to end this cycle that has destroyed generations. To rebuild a Nigeria where the child of a farmer can dream again, where honesty is not weakness but the weapon of progress. This is our turn, the turn of the youth, the truth seekers, the nation builders, the turn to rise not as tribes, not as parties, but as one Nigeria. If you believe in truth, if you believe in unity, if you believe in rebuilding, then stand with me. Share this message. Let the world know it is Nigeria's turn.